How to use the QT Cloud QT Medical Dashboard. Step 1. Registration. Before you can begin using the QT ECG system, a one-time free account setup is required. Please have your Bluetooth-enabled mobile device ready. Input the following URL: dashboard.qtmedical.com/login into your web browser so that you may open QT Medical's dashboard. Please note, we do not recommend using Internet Explorer. In the upper right corner, please select Activate. Input your organization's information in the given fields to create your administrator account. You can also create a physician account at the same time by filling in your DEA number. Please tap Submit after you have completed the organization activation form. After submitting your information, go to your inbox to verify your email address. If you do not see an email from QTM Web Service in your inbox, please check the spam folder. Once you've located the email, please click the Verify Email Address button to be redirected to your newly created QT Medical dashboard. If you are having trouble clicking on the Verify Email Address button, copy and paste the Verify Email URL link into your web browser to continue the process. After successful verification, please log into your account. Step 2. Consent Forms, PC Admin Account only. When you log into the dashboard for the very first time, you will be prompted to agree to our consents. Please select each tab, read to the bottom, then tap Agree. You will do this for Service Agreement, Privacy Policy, Terms of Use, and Business Associate Agreement. After agreeing to the consents, you will see a green check mark for each, indicating that you have accepted all of the consents. Step 3. Account Activation and Settings. To change your account info, select My Account, which could be found right below your name, on the top left corner of your dashboard. To change your account info, please select Update Account Info. You may now edit your info, then click the Save button. If you forgot your password, go to the dashboard login page and click on Forgot Your Password right next to the Login button. Enter your email address and click the Reset Password button. Check your inbox for an email containing a Reset Password button. Enter your email and new password, then click Reset Password. To change your password, select Change Password under My Account Settings. After setting your brand new password, please select Change Password. To change your notification settings, select Notification Settings under My Account. Please update your notifications to match your preferences, i.e., you may receive updates for every new ECG recording that uploads, or you may choose to be notified once every hour or once every day. Step 4. Adding organization members, PC admin account only. There are 3 levels of organization members: administrators, physicians, and operators. Administrators have the ability to record and view ECGs and can also add organization members, new physician account or new operator account. Physicians have the ability to record, view, and finalize all ECGs in the dashboard. Operators may only record and view ECGs. With each organization, there are 1 administrator account, 100 physician accounts, and 100 operator accounts. You may request to increase your quota limit if necessary. Your administrator can add 2 types of organization members: physician or operator. To add a physician to your dashboard account, simply go to Organization Member on the left side of the dashboard. Fill in the necessary information under New Physician Account. From here, the newly created physician account will receive an email to verify their email address so they may access the dashboard. If your physician does not receive an email from QTM Web Service to their inbox, please ask them to check their spam folder. The operator account will be used by any organization member who will record ECGs on patients. After submitting new operator account information, your newly created operator account will be listed below. Please inform the email's owner to verify their email address and follow the on-screen instructions. Please note, if your new physician or new operator is having trouble clicking on the Verify Email Address button, copy and paste the blue URL directly into the web browser to continue the process. After successful verification, your newly created organization member may log into your dashboard. Step 5. Reviewing and finalizing ECG records. On the far left side of the dashboard, please tap ECG Records. You can see all of your uploaded ECGs from this tab. All ECGs recorded during a particular recording session will be grouped together using the same session ID. To view only the flagged record in a particular session, please locate and tap the Only Selected Records in Session button on the top left side of your ECG Records screen. You may search for any patient using the search bar located on the top right side of the ECG Records screen. Under the column marked Status, you will see 3 different categories of ECGs: unread, finalized, or failed. Unread means the ECG report has not been reviewed and finalized by your organization. Finalized means your report has been reviewed and finalized by your organization. If your ECG status says failed, please contact QT Medical customer service via our website, www.qtmedical.com/contact-us. Under the Actions column, you have 3 main functions to choose from: Note, Summary, or Report. Click on Note to view a note written by the organization member who recorded your patient's ECG. Typically, this is the operator. Click on Summary to view a summary of any recorded ECG. While on the summary screen, if you would like to change a given measurement, please click the numerical value. You will see the edit bar, and once changed, the numerical value will become bold. Lastly, to download a finalized ECG record, please tap on the Report button under the Actions column. A PDF will be downloaded directly to your device so you may upload the finalized ECG to your patient's records. To use the caliper function, tap the word caliper right above a particular ECG record's waveforms. You can move the green and blue lines to measure the time interval on any part of the record. To confirm a diagnosis and finalize an ECG report, simply click an unread ECG report and locate the preliminary interpretation, gray box. Physicians can make annotations in the doctor's comments section if necessary. To finalize the ECG report, simply view the preliminary interpretation, and if you agree with the interpretation, please enter the doctor's name and tap Submit. Your ECG is now finalized and ready to download via the Report button under the Actions column. Step 6. Patient Profile Management. To view patient profiles, simply click Patient Profile on the left side of the dashboard. You will see all of your uploaded patient profiles from the dashboard. To add a patient profile, simply click the green Add Patient Profile button on the top left side of the patient profile list. Fill in your patient's information and click Create. Your new patient profile has been created. To edit the patient profile, simply click the Edit button on the right side of your patient profile screen under the Actions column. Start editing and click Update to save. Step 7. Assign patient profile to ECG. To link a not specified ECG, or an ECG that was recorded in guest mode, please go to your dashboard and click Assign on the far left side. Right below Assign, please click Assign ECG to Patient. You will see the list separated by session ID. Please note, all ECG records that were recorded in guest mode will be displayed as not specified and will need to be reassigned to the correct patient. To do this, please click Reassign under the Actions column. Locate the patient by name, then click on Select. When assigned successfully, you will see the green success message pop up. Lastly, you may click the Detail button under the Actions column to view the details of a note. Thank you for choosing QT Medical as your ECG provider.